Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, students, we are doing chapter number 12, that is our environment. And till now, we have discussed about the pollution and its various types. Today, we are going to start a new topic. And the name of the topic is waste and its types. Yes, students. And on the basis of this topic only, we are going to do our project number 1. Yes, project number 1. There will be 2 project work for the exams. Each project will carry 5 marks. Means total 10 marks will be for your project work only. So you all have to submit me your project works positively. Okay, students? Now where you have to do your project work? You have to do your project work in your pick and stick file, and if you don't have the pick and stick file, then you can use a A4 size white sheet. Yes, students, it should be of white color only. Okay? And now, when you can submit me your project work? Students, the last date to submit me your project work is 1st February, that will be Monday. Okay? So till Monday, you have to submit me your project number 1 positively. Okay, students? And whenever you will complete your project work, you will send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay? Along with your name and section. Okay, students? So watch the video very carefully and do your project work very beautifully and neatly. Okay? Let's begin.
Students, as you all know, we humans depend on many things from the environment to satisfy our various needs. And in this process of development, we generate or produce lot of things which are actually of no use to us, and we simply discard them. Right, students? We often buy packet foods, bottle drinks, canned food, etc. But students, what exactly we do after having it? Yes, we threw away the wrappers or bottles, right? And what about the leftover food or vegetables from the kitchen? Yes, even that goes into a dustbin. Students, we discard a lot of things like the old newspaper, plastic, broken objects, and this list just continues. But students, why do we discard or throw away such things? Yes, because they can no longer be of any use to us, or they might be unwanted, defective, old, or worthless, right? So, students, such objects which are no longer of any use to us are called waste. Yes, students, all those things or objects which are no longer of any use to us are called waste. Students, this waste can be as small as a used pen to as large as an old vehicle. There are different types of wastage which we generate in our daily life. Do you know how? Okay, let's take an example to understand this. Students, this is a boy. What is he doing? Yes, he is throwing a banana peel and a wrapper by the roadside. Do you think he did right? Of course not. Now, students, what do you think will happen to the banana peel and this wrapper? Students, if you look for them the next day, you will notice that the peel has changed, but the wrapper remains same, means unchanged. And after a week, you will see that the peel will disappear, but the wrapper remains the same. Students, what do you think is the reason for this? Do different waste decay or decompose in different ways? Yes, there are some waste that can be decomposed and there are some waste that cannot be decomposed. Now, students, you all must be thinking, how will we segregate or separate these waste, right? So, for this, students, we need to do the classification of waste. Yes, students, waste can be classified as biodegradable and non biodegradable. Yes, repeat it again. Waste can be classified as biodegradable and non biodegradable. Students, all those wastes that are organic, means the one which can be easily broken down by the action of microorganisms over the time are called biodegradable waste. Yes, students, I am repeating again. All those wastes which are organic means which can be easily broken down by the action of microorganisms over the time are called biodegradable waste. These wastes mix with the soil and can be used to help the environment. Example of these wastes are grass, leaves, paper, and many other things. These wastes do not pollute and harm the environment. Okay, students? Now, non biodegradable wastes. So, students, non biodegradable wastes are the one which cannot be broken down by the microorganisms and will remain on the earth for years until we properly manage them. Yes, students, non biodegradable wastes cannot be broken down by the actions of microorganisms. Okay? Students, these wastes do not get mixed with the soil and lead to pollution of the environment. Now, students, can you name some non biodegradable wastes? Yes, plastics, chemicals, metal, and glass are non biodegradable waste. Okay, students, so I hope you all have understood what are biodegradable waste and what are non biodegradable waste. And now you all can segregate or separate these waste, right? But students, what you have to do after segregating or separating these waste? Yes, you will discard or throw them, right? But where? By the roadside? No, in the dustbin. Yes, students, we throw these wastes in the dustbin. Students, you all must have seen different types of dustbins present in different areas. Like you all must have seen these dustbins near railway stations, bus stands, malls, and at many other places. Right. But students, have you ever thought why these two dustbins are present everywhere? Students, do you know biodegradable and non biodegradable wastes should be discarded in two different dustbins so that they can be collected separately? If the two wastes are collected in a single bin, then they would mix and cause pollution. So, students, all the wastes which are degradable should be thrown in green dustbin, whereas all the wastes which are non biodegradable should be thrown in blue dustbin. It means green dustbins are for biodegradable waste and blue dustbins are for non biodegradable waste. Okay? Understood, everyone? So, what you are going to do from today? Yes, you will throw the biodegradable waste in green dustbin and non biodegradable waste is in blue dustbin. Okay, students? Now, I hope you all have understood today's topic. Now, it's time for our project work. So, students, this is your project number 1. Heading is biodegradable and non biodegradable wastes. I have used A4 size white sheet. You can also use the same sheet or you can do it in your pick and stick file. Okay? First of all, draw the borders with the help of scale and then divide the sheet into two equal parts. First part is of biodegradable wastage and dustbin and second part is of non-biodegradable wastage and dustbin. Now students, in the first part, I have pasted the cuttings of a fruit peel and a leaf which are biodegradable wastage, right? So these wastage should be thrown in green dustbin because green dustbins are for biodegradable wastage, right students? Yes. Now in the second part students, I have used a toffee wrapper and a cutting of plastic disposable glass. Okay students, and these are non-biodegradable wastage, right? So it should be thrown in blue dustbin because blue dustbins are for non-biodegradable wastage. Okay? So this is your project number 1 which is of 5 marks. Remember this, students, the last date to submit this project is 1st February, Monday. Okay? That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.